So it turns out there was some cargo in the truck. There's some cargo in the truck. We thought we'd bring it out. We started Tesla. We started Tesla with a sports car, Tesla Roadster. So that baby got us going. It was the foundation of the whole company. It was the Tesla Roadster. People have asked us for a long time, when are you going to make a new Roadster? We are making it now. And you know, there's I don't know if you watched Spaceballs movie, but there's only one thing that's beyond ludicrous, which is plaid. And this is the base model. Okay, this is the base model. We're going to talk about things beyond base maybe next year sometime. This is the base model. The base model will do 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Okay. That is the fastest. This will be the first time that any car has broken 2 seconds at 0 to 60. It'll be the fastest to 100 miles an hour. 4.2 seconds to 100 miles an hour. Be faster than that jet over there. Okay. It'll do the quarter mile in 8.9 seconds. This will be the first time that any car has broken 9 seconds. Any production car has broken 9 seconds in a quarter mile. Okay. These are all world records. Okay, this is what we're achieving in the prototype. I wouldn't say what the actual top speed is, but it's above 250 miles an hour. The range, this is going to have a 200 kilowatt hour battery pack. So 606, these numbers sound nutty, but they're real. 620 mile range, that's a 1,000 kilometer range. This will be the first time an electric vehicle breaks 1,000 kilometers. A production electric vehicle will travel more than 1,000 kilometers in a single charge at highway speed. You'll be able to travel from LA to San Francisco and back at highway speed without recharging. The point of doing this is to just give the hardcore smackdown to gasoline cars. Driving a gasoline sports car is going to feel like a steam engine with a side of quiche. This thing will have 3 motors, so it's all-wheel drive. 1 motor in the front, 2 on the rear. We'll be able to do torque steering. As I said, 200 kilowatt hour battery pack, 10,000 newton meters of torque. If you know what that means, it's just stupid. It's also a 4-seater. Yeah. So it's a 2 plus 2. Okay, you can't put giant people in the rear seat, but you will put, okay, a giant person squashed or a small person fit in the back. But it's a 4-seater. It's not like this is 4 seats. It's convertible, so it's a removable roof. And it has tons of storage. So you'll be able to actually travel somewhere, bring luggage, bring whatever you want, and have plenty of storage, carry 4 people. Like it's a real car, it's not just crammed in. So it has all that functionality with 4 seats. Yeah. and available. Expecting this to be available in 2020. So